In Palmetto Bay, outdoor living is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle. With warm weather, beautiful surroundings, and plenty of sunshine throughout the year, homeowners are always looking for ways to better connect their indoor spaces with the outdoors. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by installing patio doors. These versatile features not only improve access to outdoor areas but also enhance comfort, style, and functionality inside your home. Patio doors are designed with large glass panels that create a seamless transition between your interior and exterior spaces. Whether you're stepping out onto a patio, deck, or backyard, these doors make it easy to move between areas without disrupting the flow of your home. This connection is especially valuable in Palmetto Bay, where outdoor entertaining and relaxation are part of everyday living. One of the most noticeable benefits of patio doors is the ability to bring in more natural light. The expansive glass surfaces allow sunlight to fill your home, making rooms feel brighter and more open. In spaces like living rooms and dining areas, this added light creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. It also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, helping you save on energy costs. Another advantage is the way patio doors help create a visual connection to the outdoors. Even when the doors are closed, the large glass panels provide clear views of your yard, garden, or outdoor living area. This connection makes your home feel more spacious and enhances the overall ambiance. In a place like Palmetto Bay, where outdoor scenery is a key part of the lifestyle, this feature adds significant value. Patio doors also improve accessibility and functionality. Sliding patio doors, for example, are easy to operate and don't require extra space to open, making them ideal for areas where space is limited. Hinged or French-style patio doors offer a more traditional look while still providing wide openings for easy access. No matter the style, these doors make it more convenient to enjoy your outdoor spaces on a daily basis. Ventilation is another important benefit. When open, patio doors allow fresh air to flow freely into your home, helping to improve air circulation and reduce indoor humidity. In Palmetto Bay's coastal climate, this natural airflow can make your home feel cooler and more comfortable without relying entirely on air conditioning. Modern patio doors are also designed with energy efficiency in mind. Features like double-pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler even during hot weather. This balance between light and insulation ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of large glass panels without compromising comfort. Security is another area where patio doors have improved significantly. Today's designs include strong frames, reinforced glass, and advanced locking systems that provide reliable protection. This means you can enjoy the openness and visibility of patio doors while still maintaining a secure home environment. From a design perspective, patio doors offer a wide range of customization options. Homeowners can choose from different materials, finishes, and configurations to match their home's style. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern look or a more traditional design, patio doors can be tailored to complement your space while enhancing its overall appeal. Another key benefit is the ability to create a true indoor-outdoor living experience. By opening up your home to your patio or backyard, you can extend your living space beyond your walls. This is perfect for hosting gatherings, enjoying family time, or simply relaxing in a more open environment. The transition between indoor and outdoor areas becomes effortless, making your home feel larger and more versatile. Finally, patio doors can increase your home's value and attractiveness. Buyers often look for features that enhance both functionality and lifestyle, and patio doors deliver on both fronts. Their combination of style, efficiency, and practicality makes them a desirable addition to any home. In the end, patio doors are more than just an entryway, they're a gateway to a better living experience. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, they provide a simple yet powerful way to enhance indoor-outdoor living, bringing comfort, beauty, and convenience together in one smart upgrade.